everybody, my name is Dr. Beckett and this is Dr. Hannah. Now when we were doing Dr. Hannah's posture evaluation, we found a very specific misalignment right here at the top of the neck. Now here, it's right near the brainstem and it causes things like headaches, tiredness, fatigue, and migraines. So we're gonna go ahead and have to take care of that for her, okay? So we're gonna pull her hair back here. Yeah, I'm just gonna tilt her here to the side. Perfect.
Beautiful.
That was amazing. Now when we were going through her posture evaluation, we also found another misalignment on the C2 vertebra on the other side, so we're gonna also take care of that for her. Sounds good?
Perfect.
So I'm gonna have you come here, just let your ear fall down. Awesome. I think that was the best adjustment I've ever given.